If you need to rearrange your video in CapCut, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to reorder clips on the timeline in just a few easy steps. This is one of the most useful editing skills to learn because once you know how to move clips around, you can instantly improve your pacing, fix the order of your scenes, and make your final video flow much better. Whether you are editing a short, a vlog, a tutorial, or a longer project, being able to reorder clips saves time and gives you far more control over the story you are telling. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut editing tips just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, make sure your project is already open in CapCut and that your timeline is visible. Before you start moving anything, check that the selection tool is active. On many setups, you can press A to confirm you are using the standard cursor, which lets you click and drag clips normally. This is important because if the wrong tool is selected, you may not be able to move the clip the way you want. Once you know your project is ready, look down at the horizontal timeline and find the clip you want to move. Click and hold that clip. As soon as you hold it, you should be able to drag it left or right along the timeline. Don't worry if it feels a little awkward at first, because CapCut gives you a visual guide to help you place it correctly. As you drag the clip, watch for the vertical insertion line. This line shows you exactly where the clip will land between the other files on the timeline. It is very useful because it helps you avoid dropping the clip in the wrong place. If you want the clip to play earlier, drag it toward the left. If you want it to come later in the video, drag it toward the right. You can keep moving it until the insertion line appears in the exact spot you want. Take your time and line it up carefully, especially if you are working with multiple clips or trying to match audio and video together. Once the clip is in the correct position, simply release the mouse button to drop it into place. CapCut will automatically reorder the timeline based on where you place the clip. After that, play back a few seconds of the video to make sure everything looks right and the new order makes sense. If needed, you can repeat the same process with any other clips you want to move. This is a simple but powerful editing trick that can save you from having to delete and re-import files or rebuild your timeline from scratch. So just remember, open your project, make sure the selection tool is active, click and hold the clip, drag it until the vertical insertion line shows the right position, and then release to place it. That is all it takes to reorder clips in CapCut. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more fast and easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.